I've got my hands on the lowest spec Oneplus Ace 5th Anniversary Edition again. A lot of you want to see whether this phone can run PUBG smoothly at a stable 120 frames per second. Hey! Today I've got it all set up for you again. Without further ado, let's first take a look at the appearance and specs of this phone.
As for the screen, it's 6.77 inches with a resolution of 2392 by 1080, 120 Hz refresh rate, ultra-narrow bezels, and an ultra-narrow back cover.
Honestly, you could say this is a compact phone that's perfect for bronze-level gaming adventures.
And with this white color, it doesn't pick up fingerprints nice. There's nothing on the left side of the phone. On the right side, you've got the power button and volume buttons. At the bottom, there's the speaker, SIM card slot, and charging port. Let's test that if I block the bottom. There's no sound from the top, so it's a single speaker. In terms of performance, it's equipped with the Dimensity 9004E processor. The one I have here is the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage version with a 7,100 mAh battery and 80W charging. In performance mode, I got a benchmark score of 2.1 million, surpassing 82% of users. For gaming, HDR supports 90 FPS, and on high, balanced, and smooth settings, you can get 120 FPS. Let's try it out on smooth at 120 FPS.
It directly prompts you to turn on esports mode, so let's just enable it.
Touch response is excellent, extremely responsive. When you're gaming, if you hold it like this, it's fine. But if you hold it the other way around, you'll block the speaker and won't be able to hear anything. The room temperature is 25.3 degrees, battery is at 87%. Let's get started.
Alright, we're good. Let's enter the game. The flight path is fine too, that'll do. Let's just turn on the frame rate recording right away. As for the starting point, I'll just move side to side a bit, that's fine too. Oh, a little fluctuation is normal.
I'm moving left and right on the plane, no issues at all. So far, everything's fine. Let's just jump right in. For a moment, it's at 116 FPS. Passing through the clouds, it's at 113 FPS. As usual, let's head for the pipeline.
Alright, we've landed directly. There are only a handful of people. Not much competition, hardly anyone here, guys. Okay, brothers. I didn't like the previous skydiving, so I tried another one. This time, there are 23 people. That's okay, I still like it more. There's nothing wrong with 27. Let's check again in a bit, just to be sure. 27 should be enough. No need to look anymore. Alright then, let's just play for 35 minutes.
Port used. Temp 45.9 to siege, battery 78%, 9% battery.
Here's the frame rate chart. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all from exiting and re-entering the game. The first round had only 10 people, and I got eliminated.
In the second round, there were 27 people. The lowest frame rate I captured was 112, but I was eliminated pretty quickly as well.
Both of these rounds had just over 10 people, so based on the experience, if you just want to use this phone to play PUBG, it's definitely doable. Think about it yourself. If you don't have high requirements for the external features and just care about the processor, then go ahead and get it. If your budget is limited, you can also check out other options. But just talking about this game, this phone can run it smoothly at 120 FPS, so it works just fine.